a triathlon. Hello, this is my bike. Today I am going to show you my triathlon. First, I am cycling in the city. Then I am crossing carefully the street. Next, I am cycling in the green belt. Look at these beautiful poppies. Now I am riding uphill. I'm crossing a wooden bridge. I am in a forest. Now I am having a snack to continue with my second sport. At the moment, I am hiking in the forest. I'm going uphill. I am at the top of the hill. Yes! Look at these amazing views and these golden barley fields. Now I am going quickly downhill. Finally, my last sport. I am running in the forest. Oof, I feel a little tired, but very happy. Goodbye, bye-bye.